Yes, okay. Very good afternoon to everyone. So now we will see the next class. That is, okay. What we were studying in the last class? We were solving the problems on the Varigno's theorem, correct? So I had given some of the problems. A problem solve कर दिया. This problem we have solved, correct?
Yes sir, यही.
What is the problem here? Tell me. What is the problem?
सर पॉइंट बी का समझ में नहीं आया सर. वो
Point B का,
30
okay.
कैसे निकाला?
Okay, I will take the same. I will discuss how to solve this one. See, this is point B. Okay, so this is point B. Okay, this is horizontal line. Hai. This is also horizontal line. Hai. Correct. So this is making an angle theta.
Yes sir.
This is also making an angle theta. So your aim is to find out this theta value. So you have to find out this theta value. Okay. So how to find out this theta? You have to find out first. So this theta is equal to, see, this is one straight line. So here it is one straight line. It is okay. So I want to find out this value. So this, if you find this theta value, the same theta will be here also. So if this is a straight line, what is the angle made by the straight line? The angle 180.
180.
So this entire it is 180. Okay. This means the interior of the triangle is how much? This is equilateral triangle. Okay. This is 60 degree. And the angle made by the force with respect to the side of the triangle is 90 degree. Okay. It means I want to find out the theta value. Theta is equal to total is 180 minus of 60 degrees triangle ka or 90 degree force made with by the triangle. This is 90. Okay. 60 plus 90, 150. 180 में से 150 minus किया तो कितना आएगा? Theta is equal to 30 degree. Okay. This is next. So what is the problem here? आपको जो problem क्या है? Actual problem वो बताइए मुझे. So that I can clarify that problem. आपको क्या है? सिग्मा F1 फोर्स पता है, इसका एंगल कितना है? 0 है. F2 फोर्स पता है, इसका एंगल कितना है? मेकिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू हॉरिजॉन्टल 60 है. F3 फोर्स 45, दिस इज 60 डिग्री. F4 is purely vertical. F5 is making an angle theta. Theta you got 30 degree. Next F5 हो गया. F6 is also making an angle 30 degree. Then what is the actual problem क्या है आपको वो बोलिए मुझे, so that I will clear that one. कहाँ पर आपको दिक्कत आ रही है? Where you are facing a problem? Tell me so that I will take that statement.
नहीं सर, पॉइंट बी में आ रही थी, क्लियर हो गया.
Clear हो गया ना? This is.
Yes sir, yes.
See, this is horizontal. This is also horizontal. Okay. This is also making an angle theta. This is also making an angle theta.
Yes sir.
Everyone, you have to solve this one. Huh? So I have uploaded the morning class video. Okay, that 1 to 2 class lecture was done. I have uploaded already. You can watch that video and you can go through the video once again and you have to solve this problem. Okay.
Yes sir.
Okay. Okay, there is one more problem. Okay, this is also same thing. There is nothing harm. Okay, so before going to solve this problem, we will take some okay, theoretical part. Okay, so what is there in your syllabus? There is some theoretical portion is there, so we will take that one. So next concept is about the Bose notation. So this is just a kind of notation. This is just a kind of notation in your syllabus. So each and every force is denoted by some kind of notations. So that is nothing but Bose notation here. What is this? Just see. It is a method of representing a given force graphically. Graphically, we have to represent the force graphically by using the capital letters on each side of a line of action of the force. Each side of a line of action of force. Consider this is a force. Okay. So consider this is a force. How much it is? The line is, this is the line of action of force. Okay. So from this point to this point, there is a line of action of force. Okay. So it is moving like this. So we have to specify this force, that is AB. Force is AB, that you have to write it in opposite sides of a line of action of forces. That to capital letters. See, a method of representing a given force graphically by using capital letters. You can name it as PQ or XY or AB. Okay, like this, any letters you can take, but those letters should be in terms of capital letters. Whether the screen is visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Full screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So this is a force, that is AB is a force. It is represented line of action. So this force is denoted by two letters. The letters are capital letters. Okay, capital letters on each side of the line of action of the force. Next point is select the some suitable scale and draw the line of required length. See, this force is how much? It is 100 Newton. I will select some scale. The scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 20 Newton. 1 centimeter is equal to 20 Newton हुआ तो so total it is how much? It is 100 Newton. 100 Newton को कितना सेंटीमीटर होता?
5.
5 centimeter. 20 Newton is equal to 1 centimeter हुआ तो 100 Newton is equal to 5 centimeter.
5
So
centimeter.
you have to draw this arrow size that is equal to 5 centimeter. So you have to adopt this scale. Okay, this is important. You have to adopt any scale. You can adopt 1 centimeter is equal to 20 Newton, or you can go for 1 centimeter is equal to 10 Newton also you can go for. If it is a 10 Newton, then what will be the size of the arrow? 10 centimeter. If it is a 50 Newton, 1 centimeter is equal to 50 Newton, then what will be the size of the arrow? 1 centimeter is equal to 50 Newton, 100 Newton is equal to how much? 2 centimeter. Okay, 2 centimeter.
2 centimeter.
Okay, 2 centimeter. So second point is select the some suitable scale and draw the line of required length. Next point is represent the arrowhead as per the direction of the force. So you have to represent this arrowhead, okay, as per the direction. So this is moving in right hand side or left hand side?
Right.
Okay, right hand side. So you have to show the right hand side arrow. If the force is moving in the left hand side, you have to show the left hand side arrow. Clear, everyone?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Next, show encircled names of the points on A and B on both the sides of the arrow. So whatever you are writing the capital letters on the opposite side, that is both sides of the line of action of the force, you have to encircle. Means you have to keep it in circle. Okay. So these are the Bose notation. Only what is first point? Each force is represented graphically and it should be denoted by two capital letters on either side of the line of action of the force. First point. Okay. Second point is you have to adopt a suitable scale and accordingly you have to draw the line required for the force. Okay. Now it is 100 Newton. I have adopted 1 centimeter is equal to 20 Newton. So that total length of the line should be 5 centimeter. Like this scale you have to adopt. Third one is represent the arrow head as per the direction of the force. So this is moving in the right hand side direction. So it's the arrow is towards the right hand side. If the force is moving upward direction, then you have to show the arrow in upward direction. If the force is moving downward direction, then you have to show the arrow in downward direction. Next, show encircled names of the points on A and B. Whatever notation you are giving A and B, that should be encircled, that should be made round. Okay, this is only Bose notation. Okay, this is used in the graphical representation. So what are the graphical? That is triangle law of forces, polygon law of forces. In that condition, it will be used. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
right on. Next point.
Sir.
Yes. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, right on. Bose notation. Bose notation. Write on this points, all the points. Four.
No, sir.
1 minute. No, sir.
Complete. Anyhow, it will be there in the PPT, but just you should know Bose Notation. Okay, I will upload this PPT also. So every day you have to cross check that PPT. Okay, I am removing old PPT. I am updating it. This is updated PPT. I will upload
In the diary, na sir?
in the teaching diary. Okay, you have to cross verify. Okay, again and again I will be updating the PPT and I will be uploading that one. I will remove the old one. I will upload the new one. Okay, anyway, it will be there in the PPT. You just cross verify. So without wasting time, we will go move forward.
Over, sir.
Okay. So next, one more important point is couple.
सर
हाँ,
वो लास्ट पॉइंट एक बार स्पीड से फिर से रिपीट कर दे देगा स्पीड
Last
से
point.
करो फिर एक बार
this one, last point. Show
नहीं
encircled
नहीं
names.
कंप्लीट ये पर स्पीड से कंप्लीट कर एक बार
फिर से चाहिए क्या पूरा?
हाँ सिर्फ
ना.
नोटेशन में बता
notation
वो
means
रीड
what?
मत बताओ
Bose notation means this is a graphical representation. So this is used in graphical representation. Okay, a method of representing is a given force graphically by using a capital letters. So each force is denoted by two capital letters. And where will be those 2 points? Those 2 points will be represented at the adjacent sides of the line of action of the forces. Okay, so this is 1 point, this is 1 point. First point. Okay, second point is we have to adopt some scale. Okay, according to that scale we have to draw the line. Okay, so this is 100 Newton force. So I have adopted 1:20 Newton force. 1 centimeter equal to 20 Newton. So 20 Newton force को 1 centimeter हो तो 100 Newton को कितना होता? 5 times बड़ा हो गया ना? It means 5 centimeter. The length of this arrow is 5 centimeter. Okay, so if you adopt it, this is 1 centimeter is equal to 50 Newton. This is 100 Newton. This is 2 centimeter होता था. Okay, adopt, select a suitable scale and draw the line of required length. Okay, next is represent the arrowhead as per the direction of the force. So जैसे force जा रहे हैं ना वैसे ही arrow represent करने का. Okay, then show encircled names of the points on A and B on both the sides of the arrow. अभी this is arrow हो गया. So whatever I am writing A and B, correct, that should be encircled. The notation should be always encircled. This is one type of representation of the force. Clear?
सर एक क्वेश्चन है अगर दोनों फोर्स निगेटिव सॉरी निगेटिव डायरेक्शन में हो तो ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में हो तो एक फोर्स पॉजिटिव और एक फोर्स नेगेटिव ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में
individually I am talking. See, this is one kind of force हो गया. Okay, so another kind of force. I will take this is another kind of force. So I have to represent this is there is one circle, here is one circle. I have to denote PQ force. Okay, PQ force, and you have to mention its magnitude, and arrow mark is it is downward moving. Okay, like this. Here he has taken what he has taken? He is taken in this direction, forward direction. Okay, so it may be in this direction, or it may be in this direction, or it may be in this direction also. Okay, however will be the only just we have to represent it. So here you have to write circle, here is also circle. You have to denote A and B or P and Q. Okay, so kitna weight hai iska? See, in case this is 80 Newton force. Okay, I will take this is 80 Newton force. Just concentrate. So I will take it 80 Newton force. Okay, so I will take scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter equal to 10 Newton. 10 Newton. Can you tell me total how much it is? Length
8
8
centimeters.
8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. The force is moving downward. That's why arrow is downward. So I will take this point is P, encircled. It is Q, encircled. Ho gaya. Okay, everyone. This is 50 Newton force. So I will take 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 25 Newton. 25 Newton. I am taking randomly. Okay, it is my scale. Okay, so what is the length of this line?
2
So it is
centimeter.
2 centimeter. 2 centimeter. I will take it is X, capital letter X, encircle. This is capital letter Y, encircle. Okay, so this is how you have to represent. Is it clear?
Sir,
Huh.
if the direction of the P is on right side and direction of Q is on the left side.
See, PQ is only one force. P is अलग, Q is अलग, ऐसे नहीं. This
टोटल PQ का एक force है. अच्छा समझ में आ गया सर.
okay.
हाँ
So
सर
this
समझ में आ गया.
this 100 Newton force is it is only one force. But the line of action is like this. We have to denote it with two circled, two letters. Okay. See, initially how we have represented it. If it is law of parallelogram of forces, this is one force, this is one force, this is A, B. AB is one force, AC is one force. I say denote करते थे ना. So I like that only. The notations are on the adjacent sides of the line of action of the forces, both sides, with encircled with capital letters. Okay, that's all. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, next one more term is couple. So can you tell me what is couple? So what is moment? Yes. Anyone? Can you tell me what is moment? Moment मतलब क्या है?
Force into perpendicular distance.
Moment is equal to force into perpendicular distance. Have you seen moment anywhere? Have you seen moment anywhere? It is mathematical definition हो गया. What is physical definition? Physical meaning कहाँ है? Physical meaning. What is physical meaning? It is rotational effect. Correct. Rotational effect of any body about any point. Okay. So there is a window. Okay, or you can consider it is door. The door is fixed here. Okay, this is moving here. You apply the force here. You apply, it will open. Okay, how it will open? Now you have to tell me. This is point A. Okay, or I will take here on big scale. Okay. So consider this is door. Is it visible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, this is fixed. Okay, this is fixed. Either fixed. So here you can open and close it. Okay, this is handle. So I will take this is a point A. I will take this is a point B. Okay, so you have to apply the force. So when you apply the force here, this is F1 force. You apply the force at this point. This is F2 force. So in order to open this door, which force is more? Whether F1 is more or F2 is more?
F1.
F1 is more. F1 is more.
F1 is more. And what about F2?
F2 is a less.
Sir.
Think.
Equal, sir, F2 is equal.
F2 is more. F2 is more.
F2 is more,
Both
F1 is more, and both are equal. What is the answer?
Equal. Both are equal, sir. Both
Okay.
are equal.
Okay. So my aim is what? I need to open this door, correct? I need to rotate this door. Which means the moment produced by the force F2 will be equal to M2, and the moment produced by the force F1 should be equal to M1. Ultimately I need to rotate this door, correct? It means moment M1 is equal to moment M2. Moment M1 is equal to moment M2, but it doesn't mean that moment force F1 is equal to force F2. Okay, force F1 is not equal to force F2, because what is the perpendicular distance? What is the perpendicular distance for the F1 force? What is the perpendicular distance for the F1 force? So from this point to this point, this is the perpendicular distance D1, and for the F2 force, this is D2, correct? This is D2, correct? So which one is more? F1 is more, D1 is more, or D2 is more?
D1.
D1 is more.
D1.
So if D1 is more, then F1 is less. D1 is more, F1 is less. If D2 is more, then F2 is less. So ultimately, I need product of F2 into D2 should be equal to F1 into D1. The product should be same, moment should be same, but here as the D1 is more, as D1 is greater than D2, F1 is less than F2. सभी को समझ में आए? ऐसे देखो, so after this class you go to your door, okay, apply the force, इधर भी अप्लाई करो at the end edge में, इधर ज्यादा फोर्स चाहिए क्या और इधर ज्यादा फोर्स चाहिए और इधर ज्यादा फोर्स चाहिए, चेक करो. Okay, as the distance increases the force required is less. As the distance increases force less. As the distance decreases the force is more. Okay, ultimately is what I need to rotate this one. The moment product should be same, but here it is distance d1 is greater, so d1 is greater, it means f1 should be, f1 is lesser.
Yes.
So as the d2 is smaller, okay, it means f2 is
greater.
f2 is higher. Clear? This is just a rotational effect. In the same way, here how many forces are there in the moment? How many forces are there? Only one force is there. If there are two forces, think that this is your this is what is it? This is a tap. Okay, I need to turn on. If I want to turn on, if you apply only one force, will you open it? It is very difficult, correct? If I
No,
apply
sir.
two force, either एक force apply किया तो about the central point, will you rotate this one easily?
Yes, sir.
Correct. It means
Yes.
whenever there
Yes,
are
sir.
two forces of same magnitude is same magnitude, but direction is
Different.
opposite. So it will constitute a couple. See, this is one bar. Okay, the bar is, the length is d. The force is F1 force is applied. Here it is F force. When you want to rotate this one, the two forces are same, equal, but opposite in direction, constitute a couple. See the definition. A couple is a pair means two. Okay, pair of parallel forces equal in magnitude and opposite in direction, having the distance between them. So there should be some distance. See, if you want to drive a car, तो कार में क्या रहते? This is what?
Steering wheel.
Steering. Okay. If you want to rotate this one, you have to apply some force here and you have to apply some force here. Then only this will rotate. This is cycling. Okay. Cycle. When you want to pedaling, so you have to apply same amount of force. Then only this will be in the force. Suppose if you consider any bottle, okay, cork bottle, okay, if you want to rotate it or if you want to open it, so what you have to apply? You have to apply same kind of forces, but in opposite direction. Here is one direction, here is one direction. Then only you will get the couple. The turning, see, the moment will give the rotational effect. So this is will give the turning effect or moment. So couple is a kind of moment only. See, here it is M is a couple. That is only one force you have to consider. Force into perpendicular distance is constituted a moment. This is a force. Turning effect or the moment of a couple is measured by the product of magnitude of either of the force. Okay, वो दोनों में एक ही लेने का. Either of the force and the perpendicular distance between them. Perpendicular distance between the line of action of the forces. That will nothing but couple. So couple is equal to, you have to consider any force. Okay, either of the force into perpendicular distance between those two line of action of the forces. Again, there are clockwise couple or anti-clockwise couple. If this turning effect is, it is in clockwise direction, then the couple is positive. If the turning effect is anti-clockwise direction, then it is a negative couple. Okay, so what is couple? Whenever it is asked, a couple is a pair of parallel forces equal in magnitude and opposite in direction, having a definite or distance between them. Clear this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, read on. All of you read on side heading couple. Write the definition. This definition is important for examination point of view.
सर इसमें एग्जांपल में हमारा मतलब वो फोन का क्या सॉरी फैन का रेगुलेटर आएगा क्या सर?
Yes. In order to rotate that one, you have to apply two forces. Correct.
Yes, sir.
दोनों फिंगर से दो फोर्सेस अप्लाई करने का. There will be some distance. So if you consider this is a regulator, you have to apply one side force like this, and another side you have to apply like this. Then only this will rotate. Is it in clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clock.
See, if you are applying in this direction, this is in this direction, this is in this direction. Is it anti-clockwise or clockwise? Anti-clockwise. So this is anti-clockwise direction. This is clockwise direction. Like this, depending on the rotating, turning direction. You will come to know the characteristics. Okay. Next point. So what is the characteristics of this couple? So the couple is algebraic sum of. Okay. So the algebraic sum of the algebraic sum of the forces having the couple is 0. Okay. Why algebraic sum of all the couple is equal to 0? What is sigma fx? Sigma fx is equal to what? Okay. See, the couple means there should be one force, there should be another force. What is algebraic sum? So this is also f, this is also f. So what is algebraic sum? This is plus f,
The force is
and this
force
is
is
minus f. What is
zero
algebraic sum?
minus f.
Algebraic sum is 0, correct?
0.
Yes,
The
sir.
algebraic sum of the forces having the couple is 0. Clear this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
The
Yes, sir.
algebraic sum of the moment of the forces constituting a couple about any point is the same and equal to the moment of the couple itself. See what he is saying, the algebraic sum of the moment of the forces. See, if there are F1 force, okay, F2 force, F3 force, F1, F2, F3, okay, it means there is F1, this is F1, okay. If there is F2 and there is F2, okay, this will produce moment 1, this will produce moment 2, correct? So algebraic sum means total m is equal to, tell me, m1 plus m2. Okay, the algebraic sum of the moment of the forces constituting a couple about any point is the same and equal to the moment of couple itself. Okay, this is equal to moment. If you take any one point about the same point, if you consider, that will be same. Just remember, algebraic sum of the moment of the forces constituting a couple about any point is the same and equal to the moment of the couple itself. Okay. Next, third one is couple cannot be balanced. Couple cannot be balanced by a single force, but
Sir,
can
second
be.
जरा फिर से बताना.
Wait.
सर सेकंड रिपीट कीजिए.
Oh, wait. See.
Second repeat कीजिए.
Algebraic sum of moment of the forces. Algebraic sum of the moment of the forces constituting a couple. Algebraic sum moment means what? Tell me, moment means what? Force into distance. Correct. This is एक moment हो गया. Algebraic sum मतलब क्या है? Sigma m. Summation of m means what? Algebraic sum of all the moment. Correct. That is sigma 1 plus sigma 2. This is about any point. See, algebraic sum of the moment of the forces constituting a couple. जो couple constitute कर रहे हैं ना, that is equal to about any point is equal to is the same and equal. This point is important. So this is algebraic important. Okay? It is algebraic sum of moment of all the forces which are constituting a couple about any point is the same and equal about moment of couple itself. Moment of couple about itself, and itself means, so if you consider this is one point, there is F1 force, okay, there is one force and this is one force. If you consider this is one force, this is one force. If you consider this one is one force, this is one force. How many couples are there here?
3.
So this I will take moment 1.
3.
This I will take moment 2. This I will take moment 3. Algebraic sum मतलब क्या है?
सिग्मा m.
Sigma m, correct?
I am
So sigma m is equal to what? M1 plus
M1 plus
M2
M2
plus
plus
M3 plus M
M2
like
plus
this.
M3.
But that is what he is saying. Algebraic sum of moment of the forces. Moment of the forces. What are those forces? Constituting a couple about any point is the same and equal to the moment of couple itself. Moment of couple, this is all is equal to, so if you consider this is only one force, okay, M, and this is, if you consider, sorry, M, either we have one force. If you consider here, it is F2 force. Here, if you consider F3 force, the distance kitna hai? Either say that, either say that, either say that, okay. This is equal to the final itself, he is asking. Algebraic sum of moment of all the forces constituting a couple about any point is the same and equal. Idhar jitna aa rahe na moment of algebraic sum couple, that is equal to M1, M2, M3 is equal to either F1 into D1 either kar do directly with respect to about this point, this point, this point, and this point. That is equal to same. Clear?
Movement of a couple itself means.
It's moment of couple. So itself means about this, which point you want? About this point I want. Okay. About this point I want. So it means if you apply the moment of this one, the moment of couple itself means this force, this moment, this moment, this moment, individual moment. About this point is same. He is telling me. This one you are getting. Okay. This one you are getting. Okay. First part about any point is same and equal. About the moment of couple itself, it's the same. See, one more example give. So if you consider this is one door. Okay, so I will apply, there is one force here. I will apply one force. I will apply one more force. So equal and opposite I will apply. Equal and opposite I will apply. So how much here? There is one moment. There is one moment. Couple, individual couple. If you consider here moment, rotational, total rotational if you want. So if you will be one force, there will be one force, there will be one force. So total moment is equal to individual couple 1, couple 2, couple 3. Okay, either ka couple 1, either ka couple 1, either ka couple 1. Total moment is equal to individual couple. Algebraic sum of moment of forces, okay, constituting a couple about any point is same and equal to the moment of couple. He is saying moment of couple as it is. You are not supposed to multiply again. Okay, just moment of couple. In the previous example, we have taken one example, correct? So there was a moment of 150 Newton meter. 150 Newton meter. You are not supposed to consider the multiply this one. Just you have to take as it is. So we will take one problem. You will come to know. Okay, this point I'll clear again. A couple cannot be balanced by a single force, but can be balanced by only a couple, however, a opposite sense. See, if there is a one force, okay, how is it clockwise, clockwise couple or anti-clockwise? Clockwise. So how it is? There is one force, okay, F1. So there is another force. This is also F. So these two forces are constituting a couple, that is clockwise couple. See what he is saying. A couple cannot be balanced by a single force. एक ही force से balance नहीं होएगा. Okay, but it can be balanced only by a couple, however opposite sense. So if it is rotating clockwise, I want to
Anti-clockwise.
I want to make it as 0. कैसे 0 करने का? एक ही force अप्लाई किया तो 0 हो जाएगा क्या?
नहीं सर,
नहीं,
anti-clockwise
I have to take-
couple.
This is another force and it should be in the opposite direction. It should be in opposite direction, that is anti-clockwise. Then only it will get balanced. Balance means what? You have to make it as 0. Okay, here it is clockwise high. Okay, you have to apply two more forces in opposite direction, anti-clockwise direction. Then only the couple will become balanced. Next, what is the fourth point? Any number of coplanar couples can be reduced to a single couple whose magnitude will be equal to the algebraic sum of moment of all the couples. See, again there is a same link with the second and fourth. Fourth में क्या बोल रहे देखो? Any number of coplanar couples. If you consider this is one plane, okay. If there is one couple, there is one couple, there is one couple, there is one couple. How many couples are there? 4.
4.
4. Any number of coplanar couples can be reduced to a single couple. So you can reduce into a only single. कैसे single कर सकते हैं? Whose magnitude will be equal to algebraic sum of moments of all the couples. So I will take some algebraic sum of C, means algebraic sum of couples. So here it is clockwise. I will take C1. So I will take this is C2 plus C2 plus C3 plus C4. I will take one more. Okay, this is how. Is it clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Clockwise only. Okay, plus
Clockwise.
C5. I will take one more, that is minus C6. Okay, so he is saying in terms of magnitude is same, but direction may be different, because depending on the C1, C2, C3, C4 magnitude, its magnitude will be same, but direction is, we cannot tell direction. Any number of coplanar couples can be reduced to a single couple whose magnitude will be equal to algebraic sum of moment of all the couples. Okay, magnitude is equal to sum of all the couples. So if you consider one more, I will take an example. See, so in this one, so there is one force. Okay. See, this is couple 1. Okay, so this is couple 2. This is couple 3. Okay, couple 3, C3. So I will take this is 50 Newton meter. Couple means distance into force into distance. This is C2 is equal to, I will take 10. I will take this is 100. Next, algebraic sum. Summation of C is equal to how much? C1 anti-clockwise, clockwise.
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise minus. C2 is
Clockwise.
C2. C3 is
Anti-clockwise.
anti-clockwise. It is also minus. Okay, minus C3. So its algebraic sum is minus C1 is 50 plus
50.
C2 is 10 and minus C3
minus
is
100.
So how much it is? Minus 140. So minus 140. So it is magnitude is same, but direction, don't worry about the direction. That is what he is saying. Algebraic, any number of coplanar couples can be reduced to a single couple whose magnitude will be equal to algebraic sum of moments of all the couples. Okay, just here he is taking algebraic sum. Clear this point?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Where we are using this one applications. Couple where we are using. Couples are very important in the mechanical engineering and also in the physical sciences. A few examples are here. The forces exerted by one's hand on a screwdriver. See, whenever if you want to open any nut or bolt, okay, you will apply. If you consider this is one nut. If there is a one nut bolt, okay, I want to rotate this one. So will you apply only one type force? Only one type force डाल तो ये rotate होता क्या? No, you have to apply two sides. You have to apply the force here and you have to apply the force here also. दोनों तरफ डालने का. The force exerted by one's hand, only one hand, but two fingers you are using on a screwdriver. The force exerted by the tip of the screwdriver on the head of the screw. See, if this is a head of the screw, there is a mark, correct? There is a mark like this. Here you will apply the screw. Okay, that is screwdriver you will put. Here you will rotate. Here you will rotate. Okay, that is an example of the couple. Opening and closing of the water tap. Okay, now just now you have seen. So if this is the water tap, so if you want to open or close, what you have to apply? एक ही तरफ force डालने नहीं होते. So here you have to apply and here you have to apply. Then only it will open. Opening and closing of the water tap. Unscrewing of the cap of the ink bottle. So if you consider ink bottle, this is ink bottle. Okay. So there is a top. So I want to open this one. So with only one force will you open? No. You have to apply two forces and it should constitute a couple. दोनों तरफ equal force डाले तो that will be same. Okay, opening of the ink bottle. Winding a watch or clock with a key. See, आपको हाथ में जो ये है ना watch को एक पिन रहता है. एक पिन रोटेट करना है तो एक ही तरफ फोर्स डाल तो होता क्या एक ही तरफ? No, you have to apply the force on both sides. Then only this pin will rotate. Okay. Then force exerted by the hands on steering a wheel. Okay. In car, if there is a steering, you have to apply here and here so that it will rotate about this point. So these all are some of the practical examples you can see in day-to-day life. Okay, this is all about the your theoretical part of the engineering mechanics, that is the chapter 1. So almost all we have completed. Okay, just we are remaining with some problems, that is about the couples. Okay, couple में जो problem है ना वो हम देखेंगे. So how to take the couples. So now I will discuss some of the MCQ questions. Okay, how much you have understood? Whatever I have taught, have you understood all the concept?
Yes, sir.
किसी को किधर तो डाउट है क्या? Any doubt? See, theoretical, if your exam is online, okay, then there will be multiple choice questions. You have to be very careful. Okay, so that's why I will discuss some of the multiple choice questions. Okay, are you happy? Will you discuss?
Yes, sir.
Will you show interest in solving the multiple choice questions?
Yes,
Okay. I will ask roll number 1 to 10. I will ask roll number 1 to 10. Only you people have to give the answer. Okay. Just for your understanding. Okay. You have to unmute and tell me. A force while acting on a body may dash. Answer option. Is it visible? No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone, is it visible? Multiple choice questions. PDF open है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So a force while acting on a body, body may dash. Option A, changes its motion, retards its motion, balance the forces already acting on the body. All of these. What is the answer?
All of this, sir.
All of
Sir,
this.
वो होते
All of this.
change
Okay.
its motion पण change होती. Or
Yes.
retain its motion होतो and
Yes.
balance the force of the already acting on the body.
Option
तीनही
D.
point होतात. When force is applied on any
Okay.
body.
When force is applied on the body, it will change the motion. Obviously, if it is in motion, it will retard the opposite में act हुआ था, it will retard भी हो जाएगा. ये balance भी हो जाएगा. It means if the body is moving like this, if you apply the opposite force, it will become balance, but it will stationary. Okay, all the answers are correct. Then, to know the effect of force, a body we must know the magnitude of the force, point of application, line of action with the sense of arrowhead. All. What is?
D. Option D.
All of this, sir.
Option
All of
D.
this.
Okay, what
इसका
where we
क्या
are
answer
studying
होगा? Yes, sir.
characteristics of forces. Okay, it should have magnitude, it should have point of application, it should have line of action with the sense. Okay, sense means arrowhead. Okay, all are correct answer. Are you getting?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then I will ask roll number 10. Okay, tell me answer of the next problem. The unit of force in SI system is roll number 10. Unmute and tell. Dyne, kilogram, Newton, watt. Roll number 10, is it present or not?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is the answer? Aniket. Unit of force क्या है? Aniket.
1 minute.
Aniket, you have to turn on your video and you can give the answer. What you are making? Just to use one answer. Unit of force. What is the unit of force? You are not
Option
supposed
C.
to make this much delay. Okay. Any other person? There are so many people who have raised hand. Ashwini, roll number 55.
Newton, sir.
Yes, Newton. Okay, good. Next, composition of force is nothing but okay. Those who knows answer, raise your hand. Those who knows your answer, raise your hand so that I will call. Composition of force is nothing but splitting of the forces, finding the resultant of the forces, Both A and B, none. Roll number 2, Megha.
Finding resultant forces.
Yes, composition means finding the resultant forces. Okay, I will ask one more question. Resolving of forces means I will give 4 options, same options.
Forces.
Splitting of forces.
Yes, resolving means splitting of forces. Yes, good. Next, question number 5. The resultant of two forces P and Q acting at an angle of theta is, yes, who will give the answer? Option A, B, C, D. Look at the answer, options and tell me.
B.
B, sir.
Option B is correct.
Option B
Option B is correct.
B square plus
Option
Q
B.
square plus 2PQ cos theta. Okay, this is correct. Option B is correct. Option C, A is why it is wrong? Because there is sign term.
नहीं सर वहाँ पे
Option C, why it is wrong? Because there is negative.
माइनस साइन
Option D, why it is wrong? Because there is tan theta. So you have to know, you should know why it is not wrong, why it is wrong. Next, if the resultant of two forces P and Q acting at an angle theta, making an angle alpha with the P, okay, then direction he is asking. What is the direction formula? Yes.
Option C.
Option C.
C.
Yes, all of you check this. Option C. Is it correct?
Yes.
Is it correct?
Sir.
Option C.
पर्टिकुलर पढ़ना स्टूडेंट को पूछो एक ऐसा, या फिर जो हाथ आपको ऊपर करने को जो लाइन आएगा उसको आंसर देने दीजिए। कि सभी एक साथ देते हैं तो फिर बहुत कंफ्यूज हो जाता है।
Okay. No, that's why raise your hands. Okay, raise your hands. Then only I will ask. So don't give answer in between. Okay, I will ask particular. Okay, so option 5, question number 6 is okay. That is direction is tan alpha is equal to Q sin theta divided by P plus Q cos theta. So you have to consider second force always. If instead of P and Q in the question paper he has mentioned F1 and F2, then tan alpha is equal to F2 sin theta divided by
Sin
F1
theta
plus
upon F1
F2
plus
cos theta.
F2 cos
Okay.
theta.
Okay, this is okay. Next, those who knows answer, you have to raise your hand. Okay, I will ask. Don't give random answers. The resultant of two forces P and Q such that P is greater than Q acting along the same straight line but in opposite direction is given by. Okay, those who knows answer, then raise your hand. Question number 7. I will explain this also. So what is he has given? So the resultant of the two forces P and Q such that at an angle of the resultant of two forces P and Q, P is greater than Q. So he is given P is greater than Q acting along the same straight line but opposite in direction. Okay, so if you consider this is a point. Okay, if you consider this is P point, P, this is Q force, P Qs. P is greater means its magnitude is very high and its magnitude is very less. Then what is the resultant of these two? Yes, roll number 38.
Option B, sir.
Option B. Roll number 61.
Option B, sir.
B. Yes. So always it is equal to higher force minus lower force. That is equal to Q. Q is moving in positive direction and minus it is P. That is nothing but P minus Q. Okay. This is resultant. Yes. Okay. Next. Question number 8. The resultant of two forces P making an angle theta is given by. The resultant of two forces equal forces P. So I have discussed the same problem in the last class. Okay. So whenever there are two forces, there are two forces P. Okay, this is also P. The resultant of two forces P making an angle theta. This angle is how much? It is theta. This is not equal to 90 degrees. This is theta. Okay. So then what is the answer? 2P sin theta by 2, 2P cos theta by 2, 2P tan theta by 2, 2P cot theta by 2. Yes. Only same number answer I am seeing. Roll number 29. Brunal Patil.
Sin theta by 2. Option number 1.
Option number 1. Okay. Option number 1 A हो गया. Next. Roll number 20.
Option C, sir.
Option C. What is option C? 2p tan theta by 2. Okay. And then after roll number 61, Karan.
2p cos theta by 2.
Yes, 2p cos theta by 2 is correct answer. See, I have derived this one in the last class. Huh?
यस सर एक्स एक्सिस के साथ हो तो
Yes,
आपने कहा था
sir.
cos करना है
Whenever these two forces are same,
यस सर
whenever this F1 and F2 are same, then what is your
Option
resultant?
B.
Resultant
Option
is
B.
equal to p square
Option B.
plus q is equal to p square plus 2pq, pq into p into q. Q is nothing but also p. So 2p square cos theta. Correct. So how will it will be? P square plus p square, 2p square, 2p square plus 2p square. So here what you will get? 2p square outside, here 1 plus cos theta.
Cos
Okay.
theta.
Okay, this is inside the bracket. So this is 2p square. Okay, what is 1 plus cos theta? That is 2 cos square theta by 2. Theta by 2. 2 plus 2 into 2, it is 4 under root of 4p square cos square theta by 2. Okay, this is inside the bracket. When you take the square root, that is
Root निकालना
2p cos theta by 2. Are you getting it, everyone?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So answer is what? That is 2p cos theta by 2. 2p cos theta by 2. Is it clear, everyone?
यस
Okay.
Yes,
Next,
sir.
sigma, ninth one. If the number of forces acting on a body, their resultant is. So raise your hands. I will ask one by one. Who has not given answer? I will ask to that person. Roll number 44.
A.
Option
A.
D. Option D. Sigma fx under root of sigma fx square plus sigma fy square. No, D is D. You said
sir.
B.
No, sir. A answer.
Answer A.
Option
No.
A.
See.
The answer is
Option A, sir. Option A, sir.
Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Sigma fx square plus sigma fy square. See, don't get confusion. In the option B, there is 2 times of sigma fy square. That's why wrong. In the option C, there is no sigma fx square. That's why it is wrong. Okay. In the option D, it is divided by
Divide.
area. That's why it is wrong. Okay. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. And this is the only correct answer. Okay. Next, 10th one. If the two concurrent forces P and Q are perpendicular to each other and P is equal to Q, then the resultant of two forces is given by. See, I will draw the diagram. This is P, this is a Q. Okay. There are two forces P and Q, and P is equal to Q. This is also P, this is also P. So the angle between these two is how much? He has given 90 degree. He has given. Then the resultant force. What is the resultant force when two forces are opposite to each other? Tell me.
C.
That is sigma. Wait, apply here also. If you apply here, you will get the same answer. 2p cos theta by 2. What is the theta? Theta is 90 degree. 90 divided by 45. How much?
Option B.
Option
B.
B.
Option D, sir. Option D, sir.
Here 2p cos theta by 2. Check it. 2p cos theta by 2. Okay. So apply 2p as it is cos 90 by 2. Okay, that is 45. So 2p. What is cos 45? 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. So it will become root 2p. Root 2p. So here, if you want to apply, you can apply like this also. What is the resultant? P square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. So what is theta? 90 degree. This term is equal to 0. So here you will get root of p square plus root of p square. Okay, that is root of 2 times p square. So that is equal to root 2p. Root 2p. Here also you get same answer. Here also you are getting same answer. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So
Yes,
what is the
sir.
answer?
C.
C is correct.
Option C, sir.
Option C is correct. Okay. So we have discussed 10 questions. Multiple choice. Are you getting how will be the? So these all the questions are depending on your whatever you have studied in the theory class. Okay. Your concept. If your concept is clear, then you can answer any kind of multiple choice questions. Without knowing the concept, we will not give the correct answer. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Any doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Sir,
So,
P send karo na.
okay, I will upload now. Okay, I will upload in the teaching diary, and also I will upload this MCQ also. You can go through this.
सर
Yes, sir.
सर
Yes.
सर आपने जो पहली पीपीटी डाउनलोड की है ना
हम्म।
वो सारी की सारी नोटबुक में लिखनी है क्या?
That is helpful for you only. Okay, so every day if you are going through the notebooks, then it will be helpful for you. Okay, whatever
Yes.
is okay, don't copy each and everything. Whatever you are feeling it is important, only that much you can copy.
Yes, sir.
Maximum there is a whatever important no I have dictated in the class. Okay, if there are more than examples, okay, examples I say figure way na, that's I have shown like this. And if problem is important, I have solved. Okay, if there is a similar kind of problem, I have given you homework also, and I am also checking the answers also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So remaining questions we will discuss in the next class.
Yes, sir.
So in the PPT, I will upload that PPT also. Okay, we are seeing this
जो
problem.
एमसीक्यू की पीपीटी है ना
हाँ
सर, जो एमसीक्यू की जो अभी क्वेश्चन की पीपीटी है ना उसके नीचे
हाँ।
आंसर मत लिख दीजिए।
नहीं उधर आंसर नहीं. ओके, देयर इज नो आंसर.
नहीं, एकदम लास्ट में बॉटम में लास्ट पेज पर एक आंसर से है कुछ पीपीटी, वो आंसर मत सेंड कीजिए।
ओके, उसमें आंसर ही नहीं उसमें.
फिर नाइस. ओके सर, थैंक
So
यू.
I will discuss those questions in the classes only, so that you will become alert in the class.
यस.
Okay, so I have solved this problem. So we will see this problem. You try this problem. Okay, if so I will take this dam problem in the next class. This frame problem also, bracket problem, dam problem. I will take these 3 problems. Okay, so only these 3 problems are remaining. Okay, and if there is a couple, okay, there is one more couple. Okay, there are totally 4 problems are remaining. So tomorrow I will take those problems and we will discuss multiple.
Sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
this is the first PDF of MCQ, na?
We'll see. I think इसमें 2-3 chapters रहेगा, देखेंगे. Wait a minute. There are totally no almost it is there. 2, 3. Okay. There are answers. You don't want answers? Answers नहीं चाहिए ना?
No, sir.
Okay, then I will not upload it today. I will make another PDF. Okay, because I will remove this one. Only first chapter notes I will apply. Okay, second one I will not apply. Okay, अभी at a time upload किया तो आपको ये बराबर नहीं होता. Okay,
Yes,
I
sir.
will upload tomorrow. I will make a corrections. Okay, I will upload it tomorrow. Okay, only first chapter notes. First chapter MCQ I will upload. Today I will not upload. Tomorrow I will upload. Okay, whatever questions are there in the PPT, just try to solve. Only 4 problems are remaining. I will take those 4 problems next class. Is it clear, everyone?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll stop here.
Yes,
So we'll continue in the next class. Thank you, everyone.